doing the epic extreme prank on your girl, Nay. Yeah, you heard me. We about to be doing a horrible prank, man. I mean, it's gonna be funny. Y'all gonna get some laughs. Tonight, y'all about to see some good reactions, man. But before y'all do anything, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, join the family, man. 2021, this high year. If you started a YouTube channel, hey man, be consistent, keep going. You know, we all we got. But yeah, basically I'm about to go in the room, get ready to set this camera up. Hey, this is about to be epic, about to be something serious, y'all. You know, we starting off the year with a bang, man. With a couple of bangs, you feel me? But yeah, stay tuned, y'all. Oh shit!
You see, ain't have no clothes on. So
Oh shit! Hey, my bad. Oh my goodness.
Daddy, that scared me.
And then why you did that? Like,
God,
you didn't need me to do nothing.
Oh shit! Hey, I gotta play this video back, man. Hey, she's scared as hell. Hey, I'm thinking I'm probably sleeping outside, man. Hey, but if y'all laughed at this video, like, comment, subscribe. You know, support the goddamn movement. Get up with you guys later. Peace.